All right, so we're back. We're here trying to fix the rear bumper. Damn, what is it? The rear bumper support thingy. We're trying to drill the hole in through there in order to get to the bolts that are inside here. But we lifted it up a bit. We're gonna pay like 500 bucks for it. Like, fuck that, we'll just do it ourselves. Just take it off and then go buy a new one at the junkyard. So we're trying to do that, but then have to get a new bumper for sure. But we're trying to figure this out right now, and hopefully we can get it up and running and whatever. I mean, it runs, but it's just, we need to fix this. All right, so what we're trying to do is everybody's getting in the whip right now. Everyone's trying to put that weight up in here. So we're getting everybody in the back while he jacks it up in order to bring the bar up. So we're gonna do that right now. Then we got the boy Zico, everybody up in this beach. Homie Adrian, we got the thing right back up, so we lifted it up now, so he's now able to put the thing in there and like take it out. We're currently on the jack, so all the homies are in here in the whip. Nothing but weight, but now we can get to the bolts. Adrian, can you show them the bolts really quick? So as you guys can see, the bolts are on there now. Like, you can see the bolts, so he's gonna be able to take it out, and we're just gonna pop it off and get a new one. But that'll be the thing. We just popped it off now, so we're just gonna pop it off, go to the junkyard, buy a new one, pop the new one back in, and then still have to get that bumper. But his whip, he rear ended me. I don't know why. Somebody must have was speeding. No, I'm kidding. I brake checked him. That was the whole story behind this, I guess. I brake checked him, I guess. But it was just a weird thing. We're at a race event. We waited like 2 hours online, and then we started seeing a whole bunch of cars like leaving towards the spot. So we're all like, all right, let's hit that spot. And once we did, we were like hitting it, and I saw one of my friends, and I stopped, and then I saw another one of my friends. I was like, all right, let me cut in here, so because there was still a line. So when I hit that, when I was about to go into that line, it was like an automatic boom, and so we got hit. But that's what happened, and he's getting his car fixed. His frame messed up. What else messed up? His radiator broke, and he had to get a new hood. So he got the hood yesterday. He got the front bumper today, and he's gonna get he got the hood yesterday, the front bumper, and the radiator. They got it for him, so we're just gonna pay for that and going half and half, but it's straight now. So we're gonna get this figured out, and it's set. So he's popping off the last bolt. That's kind of weird, having to struggle with it. But he's hitting it right there. This guy's over here bumping some music and shit. Who is that?
That's me, bro.
Hey, go check it out. SoundCloud, check it out. Yeah, popping the last one out now.
Kick it.
Shit. Hey.
Right hand drive lowrider? Oh shit. Bust it down, Adrian.
Hey, dude, you're busted down. Twisting.
I see. Why are you gonna retwist? There you go.
So you're a dude, you're record, bro.
I don't wanna fuck you.
So it's out, bitches. We got that bitch out. It's all crooked and all types of fucked up, but as you guys can see, I don't have it anymore. I think the big wing, the big spoiler's going in that bitch. Nah, but we're gonna go buy another one and get a new one. This one's booty now, so finally off, we're just gonna get a new one. Yeah. All right, so as you guys can see, the bar is still not there on both ends. We still need to put it in together. We actually have it outside. We have it outside right now. So it's right there. She's sitting down. So we're gonna paint it, and then we're gonna just go ahead and install it. Hopefully it's done by tonight. But yeah, just keeping up with it. Adrian gets his Integra tomorrow, so he's got the bumper, the hood, and then we're just going 50-50 on it because it was kind of both of our faults. But that should be pretty much set, and then after that, then hopefully I can get that cold air intake that I've been wanting, just to throw it on here. The front bumper's damaged. the rear bumper. Hopefully I can pick it up from some spot right now or later tomorrow. It's like 200 bucks, so I might as well get it. It's new. The other one got cracked. It's no good. They can't even fix it, nothing. So, you know, it is what it is. But we're gonna fix that soon and just get it all done with, and then hopefully just start upgrading parts. I think Adrian, after all, he's just gonna keep his Integra until he finds a 350Z. He wants a specific kind, so he doesn't want to get rid of it until then. But he said he wants to do big things with it, turbo it up, mess around with the block, all of that stuff, a lot of things. So we'll see what comes up, but hopefully after this mess we can go back into saving, investing money into like getting banners. I want to get a banner all across right here with their name on it. I still have this thing from the time I got towed. I don't even know how to remove it, but I want to get banners, our Instagram stickers, to put them on the side. People can start following us and stuff, seeing what we do. I don't care, man. Like, wherever this takes me, it'll be dope. I've always wanted to have a car. I want to actually make this RSX. I want to make it white, and I was looking at getting a carbon fiber hatch for it. It would be so dope. But then the rims, right now I'm running on stock. I do have, I am thinking of either getting RPFs or T37s, but T37s are the ones I really want. Maybe after this car is pretty much like set, I want to invest into a 240, project the shit out of it. 240 has always been a dream car of mine, so I want to get that. But there will be big things for this. Like, I'm not even worried. I'm excited. Just gonna do it, have fun with it, and see where it goes. But hopefully you guys get to tag along with me, enjoy the journey, and see where it takes us, man. Like, shit, I want to bring all of y'all with us, and then that'll be dope. So we're in here. We're gonna do this valve cover. So we're just stripping off the paint right now at the moment, but we're just gonna go ahead and do that for now. As you can see, it's picking up every little paint, but we're just gonna do his valve cover and my support thing in the back, and then just get that done and then see where it goes. He's gonna pick up his car tomorrow, and Briss is gonna hang out with them too. He's gonna spend the night over. We're just gonna work on our fucking car, so might as well vlog this shit. So we'll see. But he wants to paint, I don't know what color he wants to paint this, but I'm gonna paint my reinforcement bumper black just to match the car as it was. That's the old one right there is. So yup, but we'll see. This shit's looking good so far. It's rusted as hell, but it's working, so we'll get it going. So the paint on this bitch is coming off. Oh damn, there's still more. Yeah, that thing's like still. So we sprayed this now. This is paint stripper. The boy Briss is here. Can't even see him. My homie Adrian's gonna paint the reinforcement bumper black. I don't know why I was just fucking with the gray. But he's gonna spray it and he's gonna go to black. But we're using that paint thing and got it on my finger and that shit burned like a motherfucker. What happened?
Didn't have a cap.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh shit.
Bruh. There you go. Next one sprays white.
I mean, that shit.
But yeah, we're just gonna paint that and that'll be set. And bang, bitch! It's painted. Looks like OEM shit. Homie Adrian puts through, bro. Homie Adrian be painting good. Oh shit, I almost fell. But yep, there it is. We're still trying to take shit off of this thing, but little bitch over here slacking. But nah, we're getting almost all of it off, and then we're gonna wet it, get it off, and then paint it tomorrow. But this one we're gonna install it today because I need to go to work tomorrow, but that should be set. So we kind of did this valve cover thing, kind of got most of the paint off. Still gonna work on it tomorrow though. And I forgot to record, but I already got my bumper and everything on, so everything's all set to go. And the fitment on this bitch is way better. But I gotta adjust the other side over there. But everything's good now, so we're good to go.